Being English Classes, your master key towards perfection.
Friends, welcome to Beingenglishclasses. English Classes. Today I am going to teach you a very important expression in English, which is having an appointment with someone or meeting somebody. So I'll write it over here. To have an appointment with someone and versus meeting somebody or meeting someone. So today we are going to talk about the difference between using the expression to have an appointment with someone and meeting someone. So what happens here is when you meet someone and have a formal meeting with somebody, like you meet someone like any lawyer, doctor, or any officer, or any such person who belongs to any office. At that time we use having an appointment with someone. Okay, whereas when you meet someone, your friends, someone who is very close to you, like close relatives, or not even close, but close relative, or like many, you know, when you meet any of your friends. Whereas we use meeting someone is when we are talking about meeting somebody, some of your friends or close relatives, you use the word meeting over here. So let us have an example in the form of a sentence by using these two particular expressions. For example, to have an appointment with someone. Today I have an appointment with my dentist. Okay. So here I have given you one example. Now we are going to look about using the word to meet someone. Okay. As I told you that we use such phrases when we are going to talk about meeting some friends or any relatives. So how can I use this sentence in the form of an example? Just pay attention. Meeting someone. Today I am going to meet my close friend. So this is how we use the phrase meeting someone in the form of a sentence. I hope you have understood the difference between both of them, and if you have any doubts, or if you want to ask something else, or if you want to give any suggestions to me, you're welcome to comment me under my video. So every day I'll be going to give you such English sentences for practices. So thank you very much. Keep on watching Being English channel and the videos for your English improvement. Thank you very much.